Data analysts see multiple requests from their stakeholders on a daily basis. Data is everywhere, but insights are nowhere. Analysts spend time writing queries, cleaning data, building dashboards, and frequently miss out on the tight deadlines. Introducing SortBy, an AI analytics platform that converts natural language queries into instant insights. Users can view tabular data, AI-generated SQL queries, and charts. You can connect to any database and available MCPs to start prompting. SortBy writes SQL behind the scenes. It runs and executes SQL query to display accurate results. Add charts to dashboard for a unified view. You ask, it connects. It executes, it builds. Train the model using field name descriptions and SQL examples to accurately understand and interpret your data. Interact with your dashboards using AI Assistant to change visualization. Ask anything to get quick insights. No dashboards to build, no SQL to debug, no waiting. SortBy empowers every team to make quick decisions. You just need a role-based access. From data to decisions in seconds. This isn't BI. This isn't another dashboard tool. This is intelligence on demand. SortBy, chat with your business.